The Windows operating system is a pretty expensive piece of crap which can't be run on hardware from another very expensive company, except you're using another pretty expensive piece of software or this open source tool. That's what we are doing today. So first we need to download UTM. UTM is the software which allows you to create virtual machines on our Macs. A virtual machine is essentially a computer inside your actual computer. So to download it, head to mac.getutm.app and click on download. Don't do it through the App Store because it costs money there. So when the download is finished, open the DMG file and drag UTM to your applications folder. Then just open UTM, click on open and you're in. Now click create, virtualize and Windows. As you can see here, we need to import an ISO file, but we don't have one. So go to this official Microsoft website, select Windows 11 Multimedia Edition ISO for ARM64, hit download, choose your language and hit download again. Since this file is almost 6 GB big, it will take a little bit.
One eternity later.
When the file is downloaded, you wanna go to a folder of your choice and create a new folder. Call it however you want. I call it VM. Now drag the downloaded ISO file into this folder, come back to UTM and select the ISO file. Click continue and set how much memory the VM should have. Click continue again and choose the storage of the virtual machine. After you click continue again, you can choose a shared directory. Now you wanna select the folder you just created. Hit continue and give the virtual machine a name. Click save and run the machine. As soon as you see this text on the screen, you need to press the any key. Otherwise the virtual machine will fail to boot. And now you're in the normal Windows setup screen. Don't worry about the aspect ratio, we'll fix that later. Now it asks for a product key, but we don't have one and don't want to buy one either. So click I don't have a product key. You won't have any disadvantages. I'll show you how to customize Windows without spending money. Here it actually doesn't matter if you choose Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro, but since I'm a pro, I'll go for Windows 11 Pro. Accept the license terms after carefully reading them, select disk 0 and click next. And by the way, nothing will happen to your actual disk or to the macOS installation. Everything happens in the virtual machine. Now Windows 11 gets installed. This might take a while. After that, the VM will restart several times. If you see this text now, don't do anything. Otherwise you'll be stuck in an infinite loop of trying to install Windows. And now you're in the normal Windows install guide. But before you do anything here, click Fn Shift F10. Here type in OOBE/bypass NRO. After you hit enter, it will reboot. But why are we doing this? Well, if we wouldn't do this, we'd need an internet connection in the virtual machine in order to complete the installation. But we don't have the drivers to get an internet connection, and we can't install them until the installation is finished. So after you're back in the installation guide, select your country, your keyboard layout, type in your name and create a password. Now we are in the most annoying part of a Windows installation, the security options. But you'll survive that. And now the installation is finished. But we still need to install the drivers. But as you can see, UTM helps us with that. So click next and agree. Don't worry about random windows popping up while the download. Now click finish. After the restart, you're done with the installation of the drivers. So if you full screen the window, everything fits. Let's change the theme. Oh, we need to activate Windows. No, we don't. Just open the File Explorer, go to this PC, see Windows, Resources, Themes and double click the theme you like to apply. And that's it. You installed Windows 11 for free on a Mac with Apple Silicon processor. If you watch this video, you're most likely a Mac user. And I made a few more videos related to Macs. So how about watching this video next, where I show you the best free Mac apps.